One.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, Christoph here, Wicked Fire Starters. Got a package of our Leaf Lite Fire Starter series. Guaranteed 15-minute burn, something we've come up with here. I want to show you today how to use one of these puppies out here in the middle of winter, right out in the middle of all of it. Just imagine, if you can, that you got stuck and you've gone too far, you've wandered a little bit further than you thought you were gonna. And so here you are, you're in trouble, you got to get yourself warmed up. Well, let's see if one of our Leaf Lite products here can do the job for us. So I cleared out a spot, and I got an area going here. And I'm going to just grab one of these puppies out of the package. Let's get one. Be surprised, I'll be doing more videos on these, but these things are quite the rig. I'll tell you, we've had them underwater, we've had them soaked in snow and everything else, and we've been really happy with the way these puppies light right up. So here we go. Here's one of our Leaf Lites. Gonna light the wick, put it down on the platform that I've made. Bring out my matches. Now, granted, probably not everyone's going to carry an entire box of matches with them, but this should only take one. Come down, protect that match so that it doesn't go out, which it did. Try it again here. All right, we're good to go there. We got the wick going. Now the nice thing about this is, like I said, we got about 15 minutes on this, so although you want to be on it, you do have a little time. So for us novices here, for those of us that aren't less is more Stroud up in Canada there, Bear Grylls, and those types of guys. For the average Joe who's out in the woods but needs something to warm himself up with, or herself, you got a little bit of time, so you got time to sit and gather up things you need. Now, the nice thing is here, you can just take some of this paper. I'm going to put that there with it. And then just some dry tinder, stuff you find out in the woods, some dry leaves. Going to get that stuff around. Even if it's a little damp, this thing's going to burn long enough to get you going. You just want to stack up some of the small stuff here. Keep an eye on above. You get snow dripping down off the trees. So you want to protect this. But this is just at the beginning of the burn. Now you're just getting into the top. You haven't even reached the phase yet where this thing's going to actually take off and give you the fire you need to get this stuff lit up. So, like I said, the best part about that is it gives you some time. So you don't have to be a super survivor man or woman. You can just be an average Joe, Jane, be out in the woods doing your thing, find yourself in a little bit of trouble, and this will get you going. I'm going to stack that up. See, I'm already getting that lit. We're just going to keep doing that. We're going to keep this building here. Good foundation. You know what they say about good foundations. Now the best part is, you're freezing, you're cold, you're worried, you're looking for a little bit of confidence build, right? Well, like I said, the nice thing about this here, it'll give you the confidence that you need, because you got some time. I mean, now, heck, there you are, look at that. My hands are getting warm, starting to get a little bit of confidence back, feeling better about my situation. The Leaf Lite's starting to kick on now, so we just keep adding. Keep putting on the tinder. gonna go. Like I said, we've had these things underwater, in the rain, and we'll be doing more videos on all that, so you get to see how, you'll get to see these in action. But we just keep stacking, just like that. Look at this. Let that go a bit. Get it warmed up. Wind's blowing a little bit, but we got this here. It's a protected little spot. Look at her go. That leaf light's underneath there. It's doing the job. It's starting to get puckered up there. You see. 15 minutes on its own, it's going to burn. But see, as we've stated, we've got some good tinder going on here already. Like that. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to get you where you need to go. Now, in a lot of survival situations, I mean, you know, depending on where you're at, you know, like right here in the great state of Maine, we get told by the professionals, you know, that you want to, if you find yourself in a bad spot, that you stay where you're at so that the ones that know what they're doing can come out and find you. And hell, if you got something like this going on, there's no worries about being too far, too deep. Doesn't matter. You got your confidence back. You built up a good fire. You're nice and warm. Now your only job is to keep that thing going. And you know, hopefully at some point someone's going to be yelling out your name, and you're going to get found. Everybody's going to be happy. You're going to have a nice cup of coffee in your hand and smiles on the family's face. So, hope you enjoyed that. Christoph out.